Recently, I discovered that the rate at which my mobile data exhausted on iPhone keep alarming, despite having two Wi-Fi devices that I use at home and my office. So I kept wondering what was causing of this, that my cellular data run off each time before the month is over. There's a particular hidden on your iPhone that you need to turn off right away called Wi-Fi assist. These particular settings allow your device to switch from Wi-Fi network to cellular network without notification when there is weak network on your Wi-Fi. So to fix this, do this. Go to settings, tap on it. Then tap on cellular. Scroll down until you get to this button, Wi-Fi assist. You can see by default is turned on. That is the most dangerous thing about this. By default is turned on and it's not active. Now you cannot tap on it. So to tap on it or to make it active, go back and tap on the cellular data again, then tap on it and turn it on. So now that I've turned your cellular data on, go back to the place again. You see that the cellular assist is turned on. Tap on it to turn it off. Automatically use Wi-Fi, automatically use the data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So that is why your cellular data gets exhausted even before the month is over, while you have some Wi-Fi network connected to your device, even in office or at home. Now go back to the cellular button again, tap on it, then tap on it to toggle it off. Go back and check it again that the Wi-Fi assist has turned off. So with these settings, guys, you'll be able to reduce the amount of data your iPhone wasted or consumed without your permission. If you get this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.